Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert Autosum Formula in Microsoft Excel. So get ready started. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the salary and bonus sheet is the Autosum Formula in the insert. Firstly, select your all bonus and salary. Now keyboard press for now Alt or equal. That's okay. Is the all total calculate in the insert Autosum formula. That's very insert Autosum formula is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.